Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix service temporary unavailable issue. This error usually means temporary system issues, so let's fix it. First of all, check the Kraken app status page for maintenance or updates. Then, if there are updates, first of all, also check the App Store. Head over to the App Store, search for the app, and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes issues like service temporarily unavailable happens because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the app, swipe it away. After that, reopen it. This clears temporary bugs. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and after that, wait for a few minutes and try again later. Service outages are usually resolved quickly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.